Hello, Arham.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
I am good. How are you? Okay. Very good. Thank you. Today we are going to count numbers from 1 to 10. Okay? What is this?
This Annie helicopter.
Okay.
Fly in the sky.
Okay. How many helicopters are there?
One.
Okay, this is one helicopter. Okay, can you tell me what is this?
Doggies.
Doggies. How many doggies are there?
One and two.
Oh, two doggies. What is this?
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes. Can you tell me how many cupcakes are there?
One, two, three.
Yes, 3 cupcakes. You like cupcakes?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Okay. Okay, now what is next? What are these?
Bowls.
Can you count and tell me how many bowls?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bowls.
Okay, good. Okay, now what is this yummy?
Ice creams.
These are ice creams. How many ice creams are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ice creams.
5 ice creams. Okay, can you tell me the color of the ice creams?
Blue, yellow, purple, dark blue, and yellow.
Yes. What are these? Yellow and pink.
No,
What is this?
spoons.
Spoons. Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 spoons.
6
Yes.
spoons.
Yes. And what are these?
This orange.
Yes. Count how many oranges are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes. There are 7 oranges. And what are these? I think these are the bottles.
Yeah.
Can you count these bottles, please?
1, 2, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes. These are 8 bottles. Now, what are these?
A jelly. More please.
Jellies. Can you count jellies for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes, 9 jellies. Yummy mango jellies. Okay, now last thing. These are your favorite.
Cars.
Count the cars and tell me how many cars.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 cars. Yippee.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, 10. Good job, Arham. You have done a very good job. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.